symbol of feminine power, Shakti, is goddess Durga, who is at par with her male counterparts and is the sole deity to have 9 days dedicated to her ritualized worship. Today, we are diving into a fascinating aspect of the Durga Puja festival, the intricate process of creating Durga idols and the intriguing ritual of Punya Mati. Let's explore how tradition, art, and social commentary blend together in this vibrant rhythm of celebration. The process of crafting Durga idols begins several days before the festivities. It all starts with bamboo sticks that form the foundation of the idol and the platform where it will be displayed. Normally, on the auspicious day of Akshaya Tritiya, artisans prepare a special clay mold that will be applied to the bamboo frame, shaping it into the beautiful form of Goddess Durga. But there is an unique tradition linked to this process that might surprise you: the ritual of collecting Punya Mati or sacred soil. Artisans must collect this soil from outside the home of a prostitute. This practice had sparked much debate, especially in the context of the festival's religious significance. Scholars have tried to explain this tradition through mythology, but it's essential to recognize that these mythologies often carry deep moral and practical rhythms. One widely accepted explanation relates to the concept of the Nishiddhupalli, Bengali for forbidden territories, clusters where the prostitutes live. The threshold of these houses, where men leave behind their virtues, egos, differences of caste, class, religion, to indulge in physical pleasures, contains this Punya Mati. The soil from these areas is filled with a unique sanctity. Interestingly, the Punya Mati has to be begged and received as a blessing from the prostitutes. This aspect reverses traditional rhythms of power roles, granting these women a unique role in the idol making process. Many believe that this ritual supports the inclusive nature of religious practices, welcoming marginalized communities, the women and Shudras, who often feel excluded from religious celebrations. As we enter the Devi Paksh, let's reflect on the deeper meanings behind these rituals. Goddess Durga represents the mother figure, personifying compassion and unity. She transcends all distinctions, embracing all beings as her children. She teaches us to shed ignorance and embrace all individuals regardless of their background. So, next time you witness the creation of a Durga idol, remember the rich tapestry of tradition and lessons it offers. From Team Chandam, we wish you a happy Navratri. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into our cultural heritage. See you in the next episode of Chandam.